How to disable Instagram story comments. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable story comments on your Instagram profile. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you are inside the app, simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And after tapping on that, you'll be prompted to the settings section. From here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on the option label comments. Now here in the comment section, simply tap on the option label stories. And now here in this section, you will have three options. That is everyone, people you follow and off. And now to disable the Instagram story comments, simply tap on the option label off. And that's it. You have successfully disabled comments on your Instagram stories. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.